Veggies are something we know we should eat lots of, maybe even more of than we regularly do. Sometimes people just find it bland, or how do I include them, or how can I make them taste great? A lot of people associate eating veggies with like soggy vegetables, and that's just not enjoyable. So if it feels like it has to be something that's forced as opposed to something you like, it's much harder to include. And so today I want to give you a couple cooking hacks to make your veggies taste great. It's inside my blog for this week, and I want you to go over, check it out, see if you can try out some of these tips and tricks that I use for myself. My clients have tried them, and maybe they'll work for you as well. So things like roasting vegetables, absolutely delicious. You can season them up in many different ways. There's a lot of different really simple hacks of getting more veggies in your life, maybe even including them in smoothies. And so go ahead, check it out, include some of these tips and tricks, and let me know what you think. You can comment on the blog and let me know your tips and tricks as well, because perhaps there's somebody here that maybe will like something you've tried that works for you. And so please share your ideas with us. We always love to hear more, and I will see you over in this week's blog.